when you want to use a laptop suddenly. Our mouse is very slow and lag. And here I will show you how to fix mouse lag on the Windows. And this is the method how to fix mouse lag on the Windows. Enjoy the watching. Method 1. Update mouse driver. First, right click the start button, click device manager, click mice and other pointing device, double click HID compliant mouse, click drive, click update drive and select search automatically for driver. Click search for update driver on Windows Update and click update if want to update Windows. Method 2. Enable or disable scroll inactive. First, click Windows, select setting and wait. Click Bluetooth and device, click mouse and now drag on scroll inactive Windows when hovering over them. Method 3. Increase mouse speed manually. First, click Windows, click setting and then wait. Go to Bluetooth and device, click mouse, use the mouse speed pointer bar to increase the speed. Method 4. Disable mouse pointer trace. First, press Windows plus R to open the run Windows. Next, type main.cpl and click OK. Go to pointer option tab. In the visibility section, turn the switch off for display pointer trails and click OK. Effective solution. Adjust the system for best performance. First, search for performance in the Windows search bar. Open the option for adjust the experience and performance of Windows. On this window, check the radio button and adjust for best performance. Click apply and then click OK. And done. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.